Hi everyone, we're starting a new weekend, although it's hard to know in the city of San Francisco that it's going to be a weekend. The whole week is a weekend. I wanted a vacation from time to time, but not this long of a vacation. I must say that it's a good time to reflect, a good time to walk. So it was wonderful to walk in the park. You breathe deeper between the trees. The most wonderful thing, though, is to have a sense that the breathing can be deep, that you can breathe to the front of the body, to the side of the body, and to the back of the body. The kinesthetic awareness exercises are so important. So all of you, sit, put your hands comfortably on your thighs, and feel your breath. Try to not breathe with vigor. We do it sometimes with specific exercises. Just breathe slowly and deeply. Count 8 when you inhale and 11 when you exhale. As you do it, you feel your upper torso better. And when you imagine, you can even imagine your legs expand when you inhale and shrink when you exhale, and that your head does the same thing. There is nothing as powerful as inner breathing.